Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will start our second exercise of unit number 2, which is constructing expression. In this exercise, we will learn how to construct an expression. For constructing an expression, first we know what is expression is. Suppose 5n plus 4. This is an expression in which 4 is a constant, n is a variable, and 5 is a coefficient, and this 4 is an operation. An expression is formed by using these elements, which is coefficient, variable, operation, and constants. Whenever we use these things and we form an expression. In exercise 2.1, the question number 1 is that Kara thinks of a number that is n. She assumed a number that is n, and they're saying you have to write the correct expression from the cloud for the number Kara gets when she adds 5 to a number. She assumed the number is n. When she'll add 5, what will be the expression? So the expression will be n plus 5. So whenever you have a variable and you have to make an expression, you use an operation with a constant. So in this expression, n is a variable, positive sign is an operation, and 5 is a constant. With the help of these three things we formed an expression. So the answer of part A is n plus 5. Okay, or you can write directly a in front of n plus 5. So in part B, they are saying multiply the number by 5. First you have to multiply the number by 5, then you have to subtract 5. First multiply n with 5 and then subtract 5. So multiply, this is the expression. B1 is this. First we multiply 5 with n, which will make 5n, then we'll subtract 5 from it. Part C, divides the number by 5, then add 5. So the number is n. First divide the number by 5 and then add 5. So this is expression C. Part D, add 5 to the number, then multiply it by 5. First you have to add 5 in that number, then multiply the result with 5. So the expression D is, this is expression D. E, subtract 5 from n. You have to subtract 5 from n. So subtract 5 from the number, then divide it by 5. N minus 5 divided by 5. This is E. Subtract the number from 5. Simply subtract the number from 5. You have to subtract the number n from 5. So this is F. Okay. So now we'll move to next question, which is question number 2. In question number 2, we also have to make expressions. Louis thinks of a number x. In this question, the assumed number is x. We have to write an expression in terms of x for the number Louis get when he multiplies the number by n. When he'll multiply the number with 7, so it will be 7x. Then subtract the number from 20. He has to subtract the number from 20. So it will be 20 minus 7. Next, multiply the number by 2. Then add 9. Multiply the number by 2. So it will be 2x. It will be 2x. Then add 9 in it. So it will be 2x plus 9. Then divide the number by 6, then subtract 4. So divide the number by 6 means x divided by 6 and then minus 4. Multiply the number by itself means x into x, that will make x2. X into x, x2. Divide 100 by the number. So 100 divided by x. Then subtract 7 from the number. Then multiply the result by 5. You have to subtract 7 from the number. So x minus 7. Then you have to multiply the result with 5. So it will be 5 into x minus 7. Then square root of the number. Square root means you have to take the under root of that number. So under root x. Then cube the number. You have to take a cube of that number, x power 3. Then cube root. Cube root means you have to take cube root of x. Then multiply the number by 3. First you have to multiply it with 3. It will be 3x. Then they are saying square the result. Then you have to make it a square. Then add 7. So it will be 3x square plus 7. Then L part is multiply the number by 2. So it will be 2x. Then cube the result. Then make it a cube. It will be 2x cube. And then subtract 100. It will be the expression. So we are done with question number 2. Now we'll move to question number 3. In question number 3, he is saying write an expression for I, means number 1 the perimeter and the area of these rectangle. So first you should know what is the formula to find the area. To find the area of a rectangle, area is equal to length multiplied by width, and the perimeter is sum of all side. Sum of all sides. Okay, so in this question, question number A, if this is x, this will be x, and if this is y, this will be y. So the area of question A will be x into x, x into y. Xy is the area, and the perimeter will be x plus x 2x and y plus y 2y. So the perimeter will be x plus x x plus x plus y plus y. So the answer will be 2x plus 2y. So the perimeter of part A is 2x plus 2y and the area is xy. So as it is the question number 4, question number B, 4x is equal to this 4x and 3y will equal to this 3y. So the area will be 4 into 3, 12, and 12 multiplied by x and y is equal to 12x y. This is area, and the perimeter will be 4x plus 4x. It will be 8x plus 8x plus 3y plus 3y. It will be 6y. So the perimeter of Part B is 8x plus 6 and the area is 12xy. Area of this part C will be 2y into 3x will be 6xy, and the perimeter will be 2 plus 2 will be 4y plus 3x plus 3x will be 6x. Then part D, x into x will be x square is the area, and the sum of all side x plus x plus x plus x will be 4x will be the perimeter. Is it clear? Okay, now we'll move to question number 4. In question number 4, they are saying that it's a Mia's homework. He did his homework, and his homework he solved this rectangle and find the perimeter and area of this rectangle. So they're asking is these expressions are right or not. So x plus 5 means x plus 5 plus x plus 5, and this 2x with 2x. By adding these four sides, this x plus 5 and this x plus 5, this is 2x and 2x. 6 plus 2x, 3x, 3x plus 6, 4x, 4x plus 2x will be 6x. So it is correct. 5 plus 5 is 10. So its perimeter is right, and area is 2x into x plus 5. 2x into x plus 5. 2x into x is x here, and 2x into 5 into 10x. His area is also right. So they are saying that you have to show that Sophia method will be given the correct expression. Yes, we solve the question, and if the expression is right, Sophia's expressions are right. I'll move to question number part B. It's a learner based questions. You can have your own answers for part B, so we can ignore it. We'll start question part C, in which they are saying when x is 3, you have to copy and complete the workings and find the length of the rectangle and width of the rectangle by using the value of 3. 3 plus 5 is 8, so its length is 8, its width is 2 into 3 6. By using this length and width, you have to find the perimeter. 2 into length is 8, plus 2 into width is 6. So 2 into 8 will be 16, and 16 plus 2 into 3 2 into 6 12. So the perimeter is 28. And to find the area, we'll multiply length with into width. Length is 8 and width is 6. By multiplying 8 into 6, the answer will be 48. So move to part D. When x is equal to 3, copy and complete these workings. Now we'll complete this working. 16 to 3 18. 18 plus 10 will be 18, and 3 square will be 9. 2 into 9 will be 18. 18 plus this will be 18, and 10 multiplied by 3 will be 30. So 18 plus 30 is 48. Part E is a learners question. This is their own answer, so you can have their own answers for question number 3. So we are done till here, and I'll continue with question number 5 in the next exercise in the next video. Thank you.